Kanoloso romo mare bende koro nobedo godo kod wakeyni mag din mar Muslim. Raila wacho ni sirikande mar Azimio biro nywando jo Kenya te maonge akweda mar dini kata mora mora. Minego mag Muslim to nokwayo mondo koro nyawad jowetegi bende koro neni onywandi migepe mag piny owacho mar Azimio. Gisingo ni kaka oganda mar Muslim gichano tiyo kanyachiel to kod Azimio motelo gi Muluo Raila Amolo Odinga kaachiel to kod Mikai Martha Karua.
Saying that we want to reform Islam, or we don't want to be religious leaders, we don't want to be imams, we don't want to be chief qadis. All we are saying is we want to be part of the dialogue process. Our second request, humble request, Baba, we're asking for at least 10% of Muslim women inclusion in forming your next government, yes? And that's, we are saying, from executive office, we're talking about ministries, state departments.
Kuna mama moja aliniuliza kwa nini usizungumzie sifa za kiongozi wako. Na nikamwambia kwamba itachukua masaa kadhaa mimi kumaliza sifa za Raila Amolo Odinga.
Just like the mosque is also protected by the Constitution, the temple is also protected by the Constitution. So we'll apply equal treatment to all religions in our country. The freedom of worship is guaranteed by our Constitution. I am a Christian, but I do not have to discriminate against a Muslim. The Muslims have equal right as Christians. In terms of access to opportunities in this country, there will be no discrimination. And there will also be no discrimination against women of Kenya. Whether they're Muslims, they're Christians, they're Hindus, they're all Kenyans. And the right of each and every Kenyan shall be protected and respected, not just by the Constitution, but by the government of Azimio la Umoja on Kenya. If you want to develop, like if you have such an ambitious program, like we have at Azimio la Umoja, to fast-track development of this country, then we must make use of all human resources that we have. We must make use of human and natural resources in our country. So we will be making more demands on our people. The women do not have to fight. We are going to make more demands on you to come and make contribution to development of your country. You have a right like everybody else. Women should come forward. That's why I'm saying, in the past, the men were making decisions in the Islam community for their women. I'm happy that women have come now forward to say, we are talking as Muslim women and freedom of choice. So here you are.